Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? So this is very important update from all Theta Network, because in the previous days, Theta Network is completely fails down. You can see here on the screen, and the price is very badly increased now. At this time, you can see the change occur is also negative. This is very bad for short-term investor who invest for a short time, and there is no problem, my friend, for long-term investor like me. I have no plans before to sell it before, my friends, 2022. So I hope, my friend, before 2022, there is more chances, my friends, to them moving upward. But what's next, my friends, especially for short time investor in upcoming times, they moving upward or they face down? Let's start the important video. But kindly, before I start this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest news and updates. Thank you so much, everyone. My friends, the latest update, you can see the last 1 hour chart. First of all, I give you the latest update. This time, if you can see, my friend, the plus 0.9%, they moving upward, and the price is also increased now 9.89 USD dollar. This is just last 1 hour short jump. But if we check out, my friends, the last 24-hour chart, then absolutely we understand to upcoming times they moving upward or they fails down. Yes, exactly, my friend. As you can see here, this time they completely after a fail, after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. You can see here after this jump they fails down, and after this fails they take a jump. You can see here they completely move at this circulation. That's mean, my friend. If you remember, the last 1 hour chart is gonna be positive. So it's mean to upcoming times they moving upward like after this fails they moving upward like a rocket. So the good time is soon, my friend. The last 1 hour chart is absolutely at the positive. It's mean to my prediction is gonna be right. Exactly. I already get this, my friends. For this time, absolutely, my friends. This formula is gonna be very good, my friend, and everyone very useful, my friend, in the crypto market. So very easy formula also. So this time you can see, my friend, the change occurred from average, my friend, last 24 hours as minus 1.52%. So don't see this short fails. After this, you can see here, I hope, my friend, at the night they give you positive change occur now. The price is also hit, my friend, steady USD dollar. Absolutely, they again hit 15 USD dollar, just hit only at the next month, my friend. So kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope Theta Network give you a very good profit and they make you millionaire. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification.